girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Kurt Geiger unboxing. If you like videos like these, come on back to my channel, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Wait, I'm like, is my hair sticking up? I kind of have like a puff ponytail thing going on. I just want to make sure my hair isn't sticking out. So you guys got me. I know you're going to tell me. I know you're going to let me know if I'm looking crazy out here in these YouTube streets. But remember to like, comment, subscribe, stick with me. Let's go ahead, let's get started. So I know. I have another Soho wallet. I have another Kurt Geiger wallet on a chain. You guys, what can I say? When I fall for something, sometimes I fall hard and go a little bit overboard, and I want them in different colors. So recently I picked up several of these beauties, and I had to have black. I had to have the basic black because black goes with everything, and there's not going to be every time when I can wear like the turquoise one or the blue or pink or another color that I picked up. So I had to have black, you guys, just a classic black. So here it is right here, and I unboxed it, but I never took it out or opened it before. So let's go ahead and take a look. And I'm trying to remember. I know I picked up one that was patent leather in a blue, and when I ordered this one in the black, I believe this is just basic classic black. I don't believe this is patent leather. So that's what I'm hoping for, you guys. If it's patent leather, that'll still be okay because it's black and I could use it with just about everything. But I don't think it was patent leather. I ordered it a while. You girls know sometimes the shipping takes forever. It's been a while since I ordered this, and you know, I'm just receiving it now. So you know, I want to see and remember, was it the classic black or was it patent leather black? Okay, that's what I thought. I was correct. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice, man. This is so classic. It's beautiful. I love it. The classic black. You guys, this is so pretty. I love the classic black of this. So now I did pick this beauty up in several other colors. So let me go ahead and share the blue with you as well. We talked about it before. We're going to talk about them and do some comparisons. But here is the lovely metallic blue that I also picked up this lovely WOC in. And here is the lovely black. The patent leather is very nice, but I have to admit that, I mean, I like the black because I could use it with anything and everything. I can't always wear that blue to go out. So I'm absolutely loving it. It's so soft. The leather is just so squishable and soft. So let me go ahead and open her up. The hardware is, I can't believe this, you guys. Okay, so she came with a Kurt Geiger bag. I was just about to say, I can't believe that I can't even remember. The hardware is gold. The hardware is gold. Let me take the stuffing out. I want to store it with this when I'm not using it. So I don't want to just rip through it, because when I, you know, put it away, I want to be able to use it again and repackage and wrap the bag back up in it so that it doesn't leave any indentation. Because you know, when you go to store your bags, if you put this next to something, you don't want it to have any indentations near the other bag. You don't want it to pick up any indentations from the bag that it's stored next to, is what I'm trying to say. But let me go ahead and cut the wrapping off of the plastic off of the chain. These wallet on the chains are just so nice for going to the grocery store when you don't want to always, you know, carry a bag, a large bag. When I'm running into Pete's Produce or Myers or Mariano's, or heck, if I'm just going out to the store and I, you know, to the gas station or somewhere, and I don't want to carry a big purse or handbag with me, the wallet on the chains are going to be so nice to just use and throw across you. So here she is. Ooh, nice. I love it. Classic, classic, classic beauty. It's going to be able to hold and fit a lot. Absolutely love her. So pretty. Okay, let me go ahead and take this one other tag off, you guys. So you can see she has an opening compartment. This is large enough to fit my cell phone, a zip compartment for coins, and then some back slots for credit cards back there. And she is very wide. You're gonna get about an inch, an inch right here. I would say you can stretch it out a little bit more, but I would say about an inch, where you could go ahead and stuff it and put items in. Then you also have a back slip pocket if you want to slide your cell phone in the back slip pocket right back here. So it has a back slip pocket. And like I said, the leather on this baby is so soft, and it does have the double snap. Now I have been finding with the other wocs that I have in this brand that sometimes you do have to search around. Okay, I was able to just squeeze it and it snapped. But sometimes you do have to kind of move the flap around to find the snaps, because it's not just one snap closure in the middle. There's a double snap right there on each end. So sometimes you do have to go ahead and feel and search around for that. And then to make it just a short shoulder bag, you can double the strap. And then close it, and then you can carry it this way. Or you can go ahead and drop the strap completely in the bag and just use it as a wallet with no chain. If you want to just use it as a wallet, you can just use it as a wallet and carry it as a clutch that way. So yeah, I'm so happy about these bags and this purchase. I did want to talk to you guys about one more thing before I let you go. While I was at, the Dollar Tree, you guys, now I have my lovely Lisa Frank makeup bag right here, and you see it has a lovely kitty right there on it on the side. And this Lisa Frank, this makeup case came with the lovely brushes. So it came with the very colorful, lovely brushes, and the packaging for it was just so nice and beautiful. I save my packaging for everything so that I always have it. Well, while I was at Dollar Tree, now this might not match, but in my head, I figured it matched. I picked this up. I thought it would be so cute for the days when I'm carrying a tote bag. If I carry my Lisa Frank, cosmetics case, this to me is just a cute little notepad, and I think it has the paws on it on the side right here, and it's just the cutest little notepad, and I thought that would match and look so cute with my Lisa Frank cosmetics case when I'm carrying it. So thank you guys for joining me for my Kurt Geiger wallet on a chain and just talking about other cute little items. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel, stick with me for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.